We use humans to solve all of these right now for the most part, which is like,
Mm-hmm.
you have to get the data. So you have a bot, right? And it finds, here's a word, and that's the word you care about. But then you have to rationalize it. Like, you're probably going to have to look up the creditworthiness of whoever you might be underwriting, right? And they may not use the corporate entity name that's in your database that then connects to like Dun and Bradstreet or whatever it is to figure that stuff out. So it's not just like, you don't just need a computer to read the information for you. You have to actually reason about it and connect the dots, to your point.
Well, and
that's a big
and you
one
just touched, this one is not specific to intake per se, but on that data accuracy side, one of the biggest pain points on the commercial side is like classifying a business, right? And depending on how that business is classified, will identify how big of a risk it is, right? So if you're like, I don't know, you submit your NAICS code that you're a restaurant, and there's like 4-digit, 5-digit, 6-digit, and they all get very, very detailed. But so you're a restaurant and you don't identify that there's like, I don't know, liquor things, or like a bar, right? But that's probably a different risk than if you're just like a sandwich shop restaurant, right? And so if that information is not made available to the underwriter, they're probably pricing that risk inaccurately.
Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, and they made the best decision they could given the data that they had, right? So that's another pay point, right? Is just how do I know when I've got everything, right? How do I know that the submission is complete? High level, the pain point is really just takes a lot of human gray matter to do this really well. And so you end up with knock-on effects, which and again, I'm not an expert in this. This is just from talking to folks, where you can't quote all the business that's submitted to you because you just don't have time, and you don't know if you're quoting the right business because it's just like, there's this constant queue that's building up. That's what I've seen.